Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited viral AI photo. It's absolutely free version. And can you imagine with the photo? If I'm going to an example, you can see this is a horse. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to another one and going to another one. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create those type of photo or video in a few minutes. So let's get started. First, I'm going to Leonardo.ai. So first go to google.com, then search Leonardo.ai. Otherwise, this link I also attach in description below. When you click, you are related to this website. So first of all, you need to log in here. So I highly recommend you for login with your Gmail. This is very easy. So if you are Apple user, you can join using Apple. So this doesn't matter. Again, click on Let's Go, and wow, you can see when I scroll down here, the millions of photo you can download. It's absolutely for free. So if I go into this photo, you can see this. Oh, this is really good. So I want to specifically, you can see here are all pictures or image are enemy related. So I want to download this photo. Just scroll down, then click on download it. Then I again go. So now I use an image from my gallery. So you can use any photo. This does not matter. So just click on confirm. When you click confirm, again click on generate. So you need few seconds for processing. When you this tool deliver the, so just click on view generating. Okay, my deliver are successfully done. You can see this is amazing, right? So you can create those type of reels or a video using this free method. So if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.